Problem number 2. Which inequality will have a solution of all real numbers greater than, so we want x to be greater than or equal to 7. Okay, so we want our answer to be x greater than or equal to 7. Let's do this problem. We're going to move the 5 across, aren't we? If you had a calculator, you would punch 2 minus 5, wouldn't you? To do it by hand, you would subtract 5. You would get x greater than or equal to negative 3, wouldn't you? 2 minus 5 is your negative 3. That's not what that is it? On this one, our x is on the wrong side, isn't it? So let's flip the problem. X plus 1 is going to be greater than or equal to 8. Lessons pointing to the 8 on both of them. Now then, if we had a calculator, we were going to move the 8 over. So we would punch 8 minus 1, wouldn't we? If you subtract 1, you'll get x greater than or equal to 7, wouldn't you? Which matches that up. So this works. Let's do choice C. We're going to move the 1 over to the 8, aren't we? If you had a calculator, you would do 8 plus 1 to get your number over here. You're going to add 1 to both sides. You'll get x greater than or equal to 9, which is what you would get to this. That doesn't match up, does it? Remember, you're not combining these two numbers. You're going to move over and combine these two numbers. And lastly, you would move over the 14. If you have a calculator, you would do 0 minus 14. Okay, you would get x less than or equal to negative 14. The only one that matches up to x greater than or equal to 7 is choice B. So choice B is the correct answer. Let's go to 2B. Which inequality will have a solution of all real numbers? X less than, this is your less than symbol, negative 2, right? Okay, so we want our answer to be x less than negative 2. On this one, we're going to move the 5 across. If you have a calculator, negative 7 minus 5. And then you're going to subtract 5. And you'll get x less than negative 12. That doesn't match up. On this one, we're going to move the 8 across. You would punch 6 minus 8. You would subtract 8. You would get x less than negative 2. That one matches up, so B works. Let's go to the next one. We need to flip this, don't we? Because the x is on the right. So write x plus 1, flip negative 1. You're going to move the 1 across. You would subtract 1. You would get x greater than negative 2, but not less than negative 2. That doesn't match up. This one, we'll move the 5 across, subtract 5. You would get x less than positive 2, wouldn't you? Make sure you're using your calculator. Make sure you're getting the number to the right. The only one that matches up to x less than negative 2 is choice B. Okay, so B is the correct answer on both of those.